So we got our 67 C10 here, fabricated some custom headers for it, and what I need to do now is go ahead and move on to the exhaust. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some trim rings that are actually going to bolt to the frame. That's going to help center the tubing. That's going to run through the X portion of the frame, and I can get that down to the mufflers and then start with the back. All right, so to start, we're going to take some mandrel bins. I'm going to start cutting those up, get them fitted the way I want, tack them together. I'm going to build out this whole midsection on the truck. Once I get that the way I like it, we're going to weld that all out, and then I'm going to start with the mufflers and tailpipes. So at this point, I got everything mocked and tacked up the way I want it. I'm going to go ahead and finish weld everything out. We're going to get it all back on the truck, and then that way we can get it on to the next point of the build.
Thanks for coming to our YouTube page. If you like what you see, make sure to subscribe. If you want notifications, click on the bell. If you want to buy some cool merch, click on the info card, or you can click on the link in the bio.